your ass, nigga. Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Say goodnight, motherfucker.
I'm about to make a wash day type video. I'm here to shower in the background. I go through exactly what I do to get my hair. Not like this, because it's like dying right now, but I'll show you. I'll insert a clip or something right here. So how I get my hair all curly and stuff, like my twist out type tutorial. So I'm gonna make that video right now for you guys on the TikTok too. So go support the TikTok if you don't already. And if you're from TikTok, hey, let me know. Drop a comment down below. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do my best to kind of like do an interim. So like when I'm washing it, I'll try to get some clips of me actually washing it. And then when I'm like just all the other stuff, I'll do it too. So let's get started. We're gonna go in the shower, obviously. We're gonna go ahead and get this shampoo from Aussie. We're gonna put this into our hair. We're gonna, drizzle it down, That's what she said. Anyways, we're gonna continue moving forward. I know why this little bottle was having these little fart sounds and stuff. It was kind of just tweaking. But, we're gonna go ahead. Okay, come through curls. So obviously we're gonna massage these into our hair. It's shaking like a Polaroid right now. Me and this comb was having a little battle, so I had to make sure I put my phone down so I could properly, navigate this. But we do this around the entire head, comb it out so it kind of gets looser. And so this is a product I recommend. I used to use this a lot for my dreadlocks, and this is what I used for several years. Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Castile Soap Peppermint Scented is my favorite, but you guys can try them out. I used it for multiple years with my dreadlocks, so I highly recommend it. This may be the key to my growth. I'm not sure yet, but you guys definitely check it out. And honestly, your hair is gonna smell so good after it. I'm just letting you guys know right now. This is like one of my favorite products to use, honestly, so I'd highly recommend checking that out if you haven't already. So we're going to continue forward now, adding this conditioner in, same brand, Aussie. We're washing everything out, making sure we get through and through as best we can. Make sure you get the back. I don't think I recorded the back here specifically because I didn't want to spend like 12 hours trying to record and do my hair, so I just went ahead and just did the whole thing, turned everything around for y'all. I actually have no idea what I'm saying here, but who cares? So yes, here's a little splash, a little dog face. Ooh. And let's go ahead and start to comb it out. I start in different sections, just work my way around my hair. Nothing too particular, nothing too special. And then as we move forward along here, I'm starting to realize that this is a lot of work. My God. Wow. And ignore the shampoo and my dreadlock right there. I just rinsed out shortly afterward. I didn't notice it while I was recording, but it's a real simple fix or whatever. So, and yes, I do have dreadlocks because I used to have freaking dreadlocks. Freeforms for 3.5 years. So I combed them out last year, and this is the result now. So let's go ahead and show you guys the breakdown. So now I'm going to use some pink oil moisturizer, a little bit of tea tree oil throughout my hair as I go ahead and continue to twist it out. So yeah, so what I do is I basically go ahead and part it somewhat, and then first thing I do is put tea tree all over my head. And so right now I gotta twist this dreadlock right here, so it gets all the hair in that way. Then what I do is I'm gonna put this behind my ear, keep it out the way, right? Boom, now it's out the way. So now that I've got these kind of basically parted, get your... Now tell me y'all hear this annoying Ace lawnmower that's continuing to go off in the background. I didn't realize when I was doing this. I was too busy watching this episode of Community, which you'll hear me talk about later. But bro, as I was editing this, I was like, that is so annoying. But anyways, I want to first off by taking this opportunity to say thank you guys for all the love and support, especially if you're over from my TikTok. Because literally I recorded this video in July, and the end of July, I don't remember how many followers. I think I had maybe 16,000 at the time, 15 or 16,000. And as of right now, I'm a little under 2,000 away from 30K, and I really appreciate you guys. At the time of this recording, at the time of like my voiceover, it's actually like August like 12th or something like that. So whatever day it is, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support always. And then I want to also go ahead and tell you guys that we're about to blow up on every single platform. I'm telling you guys, I'm creating like a content strategy, and I'm going to be implementing that allows me to be on all the platforms, consistently posting all the content that I have to share with the world, and everything doubling back and getting all over the place. And in turn, naturally, there will be opportunities that come about because of that. So I'm excited for those. I'm really hoping that you guys can be a part of the journey of success. Just to touch on what I'm doing here with my hair, I just parted my hair and I sectioned it off a little bit. In between each twist out that I did, I went ahead and put some pink hair lotion on it so I can make sure it's nice and moisturized, and then broke that bad boy down. But to continue, But to continue on with what I'm saying, I treat YouTube and TikTok and stuff very seriously, but not like serious as like a business, but serious as in fun. And I really enjoy it, and I take it serious because I want to continue to create on all these platforms, because really it's like just an outlet. I don't think about TikTok or YouTube for money or anything like that. It's just a place for me just to do whatever, really. I don't think of it further beyond that point because, and I'll have other videos if you guys don't know, but I'm an entrepreneur, I do real estate and a couple other things. So that's usually what I do. Like, that's the main focus in a day. But being able to come over to Instagram and TikTok and YouTube and just, I guess, be myself and just make videos about whatever I want to make and just talk. And a lot of people see it as an amazing feeling. So I think you guys should love and support.
Half of my hair here, as you can see. It's now going to be the other half and get that kind of okay. But yeah, so this is a long process. This side took like an hour. That's because I was like on TikTok Live. If you guys don't already follow me, go join my TikTok and my Instagram. Same as my username. Same usernames. Links down below. So check those out. So yeah. But that's what I was up to. Also, if you guys want to play /shop for jewelry, all that kind of stuff, please let me know. I can do it now. So now we are sitting here with the hair fully twisted. I'll probably keep it like this for a day or two, just to make sure they set in. Honestly, for the rest of today and start of tomorrow, probably for sure. And then I'll take them out for videos and stuff like that I'm working on. But yeah, usually I don't even go down to the root where I make my twist, because I already know that if I want to get that volume that I'm typically accustomed to, then I'm gonna need to just sorry, I was trying to fix this twist right here. And I just need to if I'm going to do that, then I just need to twist them as is, so that way I don't have to puff out the roof. The roof's already puffed out. Anyway, so right now I'm watching some Community. I'm about to clean up my whole setup here and then go and get some more work done today. Need to knock some shit out, so that's what I'm working on. That being said though, love y'all. Catch you in the next one. I guess this is a vlog now. We'll call it a vlog. I'm watching the episode of Community in season 2. It's called For a Few Paintballs More. Insane. Watch the episode before it, and then watch this one. They're so dope. I'm enjoying it quite a bit right now, so I would highly recommend. But with that being said, guys, I love y'all, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Deuces.